Hey, Chef Tony here. Tonight we're gonna make my chili rubbed flank steak. And today's special guest musician is the one, the only, Joe Jackson. So let's get started with this quick marinade. We have a chili garlic sauce that we usually get from our Asian store. So we're gonna put a little bit of that in there. We're gonna put a little bit of chili powder. Yep, a little black pepper. Got black pepper here. I'm gonna put a little bit of cumin, right? A little bit of cumin here. I'm gonna try to make this a little bit salt-free. I've got a little onion powder that we're gonna make here. This is great. A little bit of oil. We're gonna put a lot of oil in there because we're gonna put this on the grill later, and we're gonna show you how to grill this great flank steak. I'm gonna put a little honey. I know that gives it a nice crust, dark crust on there, but look at this. Check this out. This is just going to be absolutely amazing. Look at that rub. Wow. And you know what? I encourage everybody to taste their rubs when they do them, so it's the right balance. So look at this. Check this out. Check that out. Beautiful. Now we're going to rub this here. Okay. Turn it over. Yeah. Look at this nice marinade. We're going to marinate this for 3 or 4 hours and come back to this evening when we're going to be on the Barbie outside and show you how to grill the perfect flank steak. Until then, Chef Tony, over and out.